The images that I dragged and dropped can also be done with the help of coding. But if you will start with coding, that will be so hectic or will be a burden for you. So that's why there is a functionality of drag and drop so that it can be easy for you. Drag and drop option is damn so easy as comparatively to coding. But still, our system will work on coding, and the studio itself converts the images which you have dragged and dropped into coding system by default. So now I will tell you how it changes into code system. So on the top right corner you must be able to see three options. First option is of design, in which only designing is coming. Second one is split. In this option you can see design as well as code too. And the last option is code. In this option you will see only coding. So now I will show you how this all works. Firstly, I will show you the code. This is code. Just have a look on image view. The image that you have dragged and dropped is being provided with the some information like layout width, layout height, layout constant end, layout constant start, etc. You will be able to see an option of res. Res is resources. Under resource, drawable is showing. Now you must be thinking, why drawable? Because I put this image in drawable. Now I will show you the split option. When I clicked on split option, you must be able to see code on the very left side and design of front end in the right side. So basically this is the meaning of split. As you can see both the things side by side. When I clicked on first image view, you will see the boundary of that image will be highlighted as you clicked on image view. Now I clicked on second image view. Again you will see the boundary of second image view will be highlighted. So whenever you will choose any image view, automatically it will highlight that image. Now I will set the design on front end again. As I want to add two buttons in the middle, we are going to set the images because I want space in the middle so that I can add two buttons. Now I will set the design of front end again. As I want to add two buttons in the middle, we are going to set the images because I want some space in the middle so that I can add two buttons in the between. Now I will make use of buttons. See guys, if we will not use button, then how we will play or pause a song, right? Are you understanding guys? If there will be no button, then how you will control the app guys? So guys, this is the most important part. So for adding buttons, firstly we will click on buttons. Now I am going to add first button in the middle of two images on the very left side. Now I have inserted the first button. Now again by clicking on button, I have inserted another button which I placed on the very right side. Now I am clicking on attribute as I want to set a design, color and many more things of button. Whenever you want to change settings or backgrounds of any image or button, you always need attributes. Now I want to change the name of the button. That's why I clicked on attribute. So now let's change. Firstly, I clicked on button. When I clicked on button, on the very right side under text, you must be able to see button. Now I want to rename that. So I changed that text and wrote play. Now that text has changed. See how amazing it is looking guys. I can't believe that I am developing a music app. Now I choose another button. By clicking on it, I will again repeat the same process for changing name. Under text, I will rename it as pause. Now I am feeling so happy as I have inserted both the buttons of play and pause. It's looking so cool. I am just thinking how amazing it will be looking. Now I will set the button. Firstly I will do zoom in, then I will set button from the side. But still it is showing error. Now I will add constant in it. I will set both the buttons from side. Now I chose pause button and clicked on top to image view bottom to join the button with the first image. Now it is joined. Now I want to join the button to second image. So I chose bottom to image view top. And same for the play button. Now I want to join that button to second image. So I chose bottom to image view to top. And when I want to join this image with image 1, so I choose top to image viewer bottom. Now both the buttons are joined with the images. Now just see that red error has gone, and I have told you earlier that you just have to ignore yellow error. Now let's run our app, that how it looks. I am super excited. As you can see in the bottom, Gradle built running. This is coming because we have just clicked the play button and it is in processing. But at the present time you don't have to install the app because it is already installed last time. Now you can see at the bottom that launch succeed. Now let's see our mobile phone screen. Oh my god, how cool it is looking. You will notice that right now my phone is on day mode and the color of button is dark blue. Now let's see how it will look in night mode. Firstly, I have changed the setting of my phone from day to night mode. Now you will see that the color has changed from dark blue to purple. It's cool, but I am not getting that vibe right now. So I want to remove the color of buttons. So for this I will change the background color of button. So now let's change the background color of the button. For that we will click on attribute. Then we will select play button. After that we will search for background. But notice one thing, that you have to choose background tint, not background. After that I choose color picker and choose that black color which I want and same for another button. Now I want to bold the text of both the buttons. For that I will choose text style and will change it to bold. And same process for the pause button. Choose text style and will change to bold. Now it's done. Oh my god, see how lovely it is looking. I am getting obsessed with this, guys, aren't you? So let's run the application, that how it looks. We will click on terminate, and the previous one was still working. So to start with the new one I clicked on terminate. At the bottom you can see launch succeed, and wow, this is looking so cool and fantastic.